Hi, welcome to Pathfinder Middle School. I'm Susan Froge, Assistant Principal of Pathfinder Middle School, and I'm surrounded by my two counselors, Dr. Tara Rumbaugh Crawford and Miss Jatasia Lively.
Hi, when you walk up the second floor of our school, you'll be greeted by our front office staff, Mr. Leach and Miss Click. And now we're going to go look at our 6th and 7th grade classroom.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Don't worry about it. It's just a get to know you game. See what we all
And across the hall, you'll find our 8th grade classrooms.
And this is our related arts and 7th grade room.
And here is our 7-8 split classrooms.
Thank you for joining us here at Pathfinder Middle School. We look forward to working with you. Please be on the lookout every Friday for our weekly communications. That's the best way to stay up to date with us. And we hope you have a good evening.